Another day, another story. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the mysteries of human behavior and relationships. In today's video, we'll be delving into a topic that has puzzled many of us at some point in our lives. Why do some women chase after men who don't want them? What's the psychology behind this phenomenon of unrequited love? Let's find out. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell so we'll be notified when we post new videos. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Firstly, are there any psychological reasons women chase after men who don't want them? Let's look at them. Psychology research shows that attachment styles can be a cause based on their early experiences with caregivers. If a woman had a caregiver who was inconsistent or unavailable, she may develop an anxious attachment style. This means that she may crave intimacy and validation from others, but also fear rejection and abandonment. Pursuing a man who is not interested in her may be a way for her to try to prove her worth and overcome her fear of rejection. Also, women who have low self-esteem may seek validation from men. And pursuing an uninterested man may be a way for them to try to prove their worth. They may also feel a sense of accomplishment if they are able to win over a man who initially rejected them. In addition, sometimes people pursue relationships or partners based on unconscious motivations that they may not be aware of. For example, a woman may be attracted to a man who is emotionally unavailable because it mirrors her experience with an emotionally distant parent. In this case, the pursuit may be driven by a desire to resolve unresolved emotional issues. Now let's go deep and examine 15 reasons why women chase after men who don't want them. 1. The need for validation. One reason why some women chase men who don't want them is that they crave validation. The attention and affection of a man can make a woman feel desirable and worthy. Even if the man is not interested in a relationship, the attention he gives can be addictive and hard to let go of. 2. The thrill of the chase. Another reason why women chase men who don't want them is the thrill of the chase. The pursuit of a man who is hard to get can be exciting and even exhilarating. The challenge of winning over someone who seems out of reach can be a powerful motivator for some women. 3. Low self-esteem. For some women, chasing men who don't want them is a manifestation of low self-esteem. They may feel unworthy of love and attention and believe that they need to prove their worth to themselves and others. Chasing after a man who seems unattainable can provide a temporary boost to their self-esteem, even if it ultimately leads to disappointment. 4. Fear of intimacy. Another reason why some women chase after men who don't want them is that they have a fear of intimacy. They may be afraid of getting too close to someone and becoming vulnerable. By chasing after a man who is not interested, they can avoid the risk of rejection and protect themselves from emotional pain. 5. Unresolved issues. Some women may chase after men who don't want them because of unresolved emotional issues from their past. They may try to recreate a pattern from their childhood or previous relationships, even if it is unhealthy. In these cases, seeking therapy or counseling may be necessary to work through these issues and break the cycle of chasing after unavailable men. 6. Idealization. Women may also chase after men who don't want them because they idealize them. They may have a romanticized view of the man, seeing only his positive qualities and ignoring his flaws. This idealization can be fueled by movies, books, and social media, which often depict relationships in an unrealistic way. 7. Lack of options. Another reason why some women chase after men who don't want them is that they feel like they don't have any other options. They may believe that this man is the only one who will ever love them or that they will never find anyone else. This scarcity mindset can be damaging and may lead to settling for less than they deserve. 8. Fear of being alone. Some women may also chase after men who don't want them because they have a fear of being alone. They may believe that being in a relationship, even an unfulfilling one, is better than being single. This fear can lead to staying in toxic or one-sided relationships out of a sense of desperation. 9. Power dynamic. In some cases, women may chase after men who don't want them because of power dynamic. The man may have a higher social status, wealth, or attractiveness, making the woman feel she needs to prove herself worthy. This can be especially true in workplaces or other environments where power imbalances exist. 10. Lack of emotional regulation. Some women may chase after men who don't want them because they lack emotional regulation. They may become obsessed with a man, unable to control their emotions and behaviors. This can be a sign of underlying mental health issues, such as anxiety or borderline personality disorder, which should be addressed with the help of a mental health professional. 11. Emotional unavailability. Sometimes women may chase men who don't want them because they themselves are emotionally unavailable. They may find themselves attracted to men who are also emotionally unavailable or commitment phobic, as this type of relationship allows them to maintain a sense of emotional distance and avoid the vulnerability that comes with opening up to someone. 12. Attachment style. A woman's attachment style can also play a role in why she chases after men who don't want her. With an anxious attachment style tend to be more likely to pursue relationships with people who are avoidant or uninterested, as they are used to seeking validation from partners who are emotionally unavailable. 13. Love addiction. For some women, chasing after men who don't want them can become a form of love addiction. They may become addicted to the feeling of yearning for someone who is out of reach, as it triggers the release of feel-good chemicals in the brain. This addiction can be difficult to break and may require professional help to overcome. 14. Unrealistic expectations. Sometimes, women chase after men who don't want them because they have unrealistic expectations about what a relationship should be. They may believe that a partner who is uninterested or emotionally unavailable will change if they just try hard enough, or that the relationship will be perfect once they finally get together. This type of thinking can lead to disappointment and heartache. 15. Social pressure. Finally, some women may feel pressure from society or cultural norms to pursue relationships with men, even if they are not interested or available. This pressure can come from family members, peers, or media messages, and can lead to women chasing after men who don't want them in an effort to fit in or meet societal expectations. The psychology behind why some women chase after men who don't want them is complex and multifaceted, and can stem from a variety of factors including attachment style, emotional unavailability, and societal pressure. It's important to examine your own motivations and work on building a healthy relationship with yourself before pursuing any kind of romantic relationship. Remember, you deserve to be with someone who values and respects you. And it's never too late to make positive changes in your life. This concludes our video. If you got value, please do not hesitate to share, comment, like and share so this video can get to more people who may need it. Finally, subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button on your screen, and hit the notification bell so you will know when we release new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.